Assalamu alaikum one class. Now let's start reading our unit number 7, page number 59. The name of the story is Clever Fox and Greedy Wolf. These are some words to know. Clever means intelligent and able to learn things quickly. A person who understands things very quickly. Greedy means wanting a lot more food or money more than a fair share. Means wanting a lot more food or money than is required and than you need. Hungry means an uncomfortable feeling in the stomach caused by a need for food. Means if you want to eat some food. Roared, made a long, loud, deep sound like a lion. Have you ever heard the roaring of lion? That is called roared. Long, loud, deep sound. Rolling pin, a long cylinder that is used for making dough flat and smooth. Your mother use a gadget like this in the kitchen to flat the dough. This is what we call a rolling pin. Next is whisper. Whisper means to speak very quietly. How? To speak very quietly. This is what we call whisper. Okay. Now let's start. A clever fox met a greedy wolf in the forest. A clever fox, here is this clever fox who met a greedy wolf in the forest. This is the forest. They are meeting with each other. Now let's see what they are talking about. I am hungry, growled the wolf. Growled means to take out a deep sound of anger. Like, how did he say this? I am hungry. I am going to eat you up. The fox was frightened. Frightened means the fox was scared. Oh, don't eat me, Mr. Wolf. Please don't, cried the fox. The fox said in the loud voice, please don't eat me, Mr. Wolf. Please don't. Why not? Roared the wolf. I am hungry. So the fox thought that I should think something that he should not eat me. So the fox had an idea. Idea means a brilliant thought. So what is the idea this fox has? Now let's see. Come with me, said the fox. The fox said, come with me. I will find you some food. Some food means something to eat. He said so because he never wanted the wolf to eat him. So he decided to take him somewhere so that he may eat something else. That was the idea of the fox. Then the fox took the wolf to an old house. They looked through the kitchen window. You all know what is a kitchen? Kitchen is a place where we cook our food. Okay? And through means move in one side to look at the other side of the door of the window. See? They are looking through this small kitchen window. Now let's see what did they see. Aha! said the wolf. Aha! He means that he is very happy. Look at the food. Look at the things to eat. See, now he is very happy. He is seeing some food to eat. In the kitchen, a woman was putting cakes on a shelf. In the kitchen, this woman was putting a cake. You all like to eat cake. This is the cake. She was putting a cake on a shelf. Shelf is a place that is flat, and we use it to put things on it. This is what we call a flat surface is called a shelf. She went out of the kitchen. Then, after putting these cakes on the shelf, she goes out of the kitchen and shut the door. Shut means closes the door, and she shuts the door. Next, we can't get in means, said the wolf. Now the wolf says that we cannot get inside the kitchen. Shh, be quiet, whispered the fox. The fox said to the wolf, shh, be quiet means don't make a noise, okay? Don't make a noise. Don't speak loudly. Next, the kitchen window was very small. The fox opened it. The kitchen window was small. Then the fox opened it so that they can go inside the kitchen from this window. The fox opened it. He climbed through the window. What did the fox did? What did the fox do? He climbed through the window. Climb means he goes up through the window and gets inside the kitchen. You can see in this picture he is climbing up. Climbing up means going up. He is going up to the window, and then what he says to the wolf? Come inside, said the fox to the wolf. Now he is asking the wolf, you should also come inside. The wolf climbed inside, so the wolf also went in the kitchen. The fox and the wolf started to eat the cakes. Now, when they entered the kitchen, what did they do? They started to eat all the cakes that were on the shelf. The fox ate one cake. Ate is the second form of eat. The fox ate one cake. Then the fox took 3 cakes and put them outside the window. The fox is very clever. He just ate one cake and he threw the 3 cakes outside the window. Okay? You can see the fox threw these cakes outside the window. Now, but what happened? The wolf was very greedy. The wolf was greedy. What did he do? He ate one cake. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Chomp means chew. When you eat something, it seems like to me you make a sound like chomp, chomp, and chomp means to chew something in your mouth. Then he ate another cake. He picked up one more cake and ate that. And another, one more cake, and another, one more cake. Oh, in this way, what did he do? The wolf ate 8 cakes, but still did not stop. He was again eating and eating. He did not stop. Even he ate 8 cakes. Suddenly, the woman came into the kitchen. The woman who put the cakes on the shelf, she came into the kitchen. Suddenly means quickly, unexpectedly, at once. What are you doing here? She shouted the woman. She said in a very loud and angry voice, what are you doing here? Have you eaten my cakes? So, yes, they had eaten her cakes. What happened next? The woman picked up a rolling pin. She picked up a rolling pin to hit that fox and wolf. But what happened? The fox was very clever. What did he do? The fox jumped through the small window. The fox jumped through the small window and went out of the kitchen. Then he picked up the 3 cakes and ran away. He picked up those 3 cakes which he threw outside the kitchen window and ran away. He was very smart. Now he will eat the cakes at home. The greedy wolf was too fat. He had become too fat after eating so many cakes. Now what happens? He could not get through the window. Why? He had become so fat that he got him stuck in the window. Oh dear, oh dear. What did the poor wolf pick up? Oh dear means very sad. He put himself in very trouble. Now what will the woman do? He got stuck in the window and the woman will beat him with the rolling pin. So the moral of the story is we all learned that we should not eat more than our need, and this very important thing is we should not take anyone's things without their permission. Okay, they ate the cakes of this woman without her permission. Okay,